Hey, what's up, guys? So this is your a video demonstration here on how to open up an Ableton pack. Okay, and it's kind of a file management tutorial. Um, the way it's going to work is that when I give you demonstration files or something that I want you to play around with, maybe I'll give you a starter set where I give you something that I've already done, something I've set it up for you to make a project, and then you're going to complete the project, and then we'll talk about how you would submit it back to me later. But no matter what it is, or if it's just a demonstration that I want you to look at, you're just going to download the file from me in this format that's called an Ableton pack. And Ableton packs basically like a compressed file. If you've ever seen like a zip file where it has like the little folder and it's got the little zipper on it, same thing as that, same concept really. This is just their version of it. So I'm here on Google Slides. On this week's slides, you can see if you click on this little picture, then there's a link there. You can go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to download it. You can either click on this download button, or you can go up here and click on this download button. Click on download. It lets you know it can't scan for viruses. You can just download anyways. Promise you I'll never give you a virus. We'll see it down here in the bottom left. You can either click right there once it's finished, or another place you can go is a few ways you can get there. You can click on the file browser here, and typically everything goes in your download folder. So then you'll see it here on top, and then yeah, there it is right there on top. Well, mine is, at least, because I have it organized that way so that whatever shows there. But for you, it should be easy to find. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to click on it here. It's going to open up Ableton. Okay, you're going to don't worry about that. So then you're going to come up with this window here, and what it's asking you to do is, where do you want to take the contents of the pack? Where do you want to take the stuff inside and save it? Where is it going to go? Because you can't open an Ableton file from an Ableton pack. You have to extract all the contents first, and then you open it from your new location. So we're going to set that location. So what you can do is just set I would set it to the desktop if I were you, because this one I'm not going to collect it back from you. This is just for you to see. It's nothing. You don't really have to save it if you don't want to, or you don't have to update it later and go through the process of saving your updates. So I would do it to your desktop if I were you. I'm going to, for this demonstration, choose my documents, because my desktop and my downloads folder is really crazy, so it'll be a lot harder to see where it goes. So I'm going to save it to my documents, and again, it doesn't really matter as long as you know where it is. Okay, it's going to tell me here, installing demo and drum kits session view project. And this can take a little bit, but right now it's showing you it's unpacking all the contents of everything that's in it. And then that goes away, and then nothing happens. So you're probably wondering, what the hell? Well, the next step you have to do is you have to actually open the contents wherever you unpack them to. You have to go to that location, open them up there. So don't go back to the pack and unpack it again, because you're just making copies of it, and it makes it more confusing. So you're gonna go to File, you're gonna go to Open, and then you're gonna go wherever you just opened it up to. So I put it in my documents, and then you can see it here. It is in my documents, and is now a different kind of file. And if I change this to details, we are on details. You can see it has this little folder with the little colors on it. That is Ableton. Maybe I can make that bigger. This is this means, like, unlike the other one, we saw this one here. This is what you'll see this in your file browser. That's what a pack looks like. Once you have unpacked it, then the one you want to open up is, where did I just go? Oh, here we are. It looks like this, has the colors, the little black folder. So I click on that, and if I click open, and then it's going to take me inside of that folder, because now Ableton packs, the contents are all in these different folders. It's just how that they organize it. So you go inside of that folder, and then you see something in here that's called same name. It's like this little black page with the same colors, and it's called, has a .als. That stands for Ableton Live Set. That is the folder that you need to open up so that you can access it. Okay, and all this other stuff, don't mess with this other stuff. These other folders, these have to be here for Ableton to work properly. Okay. All right. So if I click on Open there, then I should get Voila. And here we go. So I'll see you in the next video.